My name is Radu Vunvulea. I'm Microsoft Azure MVP and also Microsoft Regional Director. And in today's talk, I will try to cover an interesting topic about how we had fun, if we can say in this way, on an IoT platform for the healthcare industry. I started to work for the first time with Microsoft Azure in 2010, and playing around IoT in enterprise starting from 2013. So, if you want to find more about me, just look me on LinkedIn or Google, and you'll be able to find my blog, my Twitter, and many other videos from me. So let's start and let's see how everything started. Well, I don't know how it was 200 years ago or how it will be in 1 year because of the current situation, but at least in 2015, any great idea usually came during the coffee break when you had a chat with your friends or your colleague and you're talking about different things. Well, during that coffee break, together with one of my colleagues, we were thinking about, okay, we have Microsoft Azure, we have a lot of software as a service services that are very, very powerful, how we can change our client business and how we could, in the end, win more projects. So we had an idea, okay, we are in the phase when one of our customers is willing to rewrite and to change, or let's say to change their old state-of-the-art system that used to connect their medical devices from all the hospitals around the world with a new platform, a cloud one. So we split our responsibilities. I took the technical side, the architecture, the design, and so on. And my friend took the business one and talking with the customer, convince them, and so on. And in the end, we ended up after 1 year and a half in a phase called full load test. What does this mean for our customer? Was we had the platform written around 50%. The most important business use cases were already covered, and we had to run a full load test. And this was very interesting. And we are talking now in 2016, autumn of 2016, when we use around 50,000 EC2 machines from AWS to simulate the full load of more than 100,000 medical devices. And when I say medical devices, it means, think about a device that has at least 2 or 3 meters long and do usually any kind of blood analysis and things like that. On our platform, on Azure side, we had almost 2,000 virtual cores, around 40 cloud services that were up and running, around 80 storage accounts. We used to produce around 150 gigabytes of data every minute. Of course, not everything was kept, but that was the main flow. The number of the throughput per second in the full load test hit it around 100,000 requests per second. And the consumption was around 100 to 120 bucks, $20,000 on Azure, and around 150,000 on AWS that simulate this full load. So things were a little bit crazy. And the output was looking something like that. In the full peak, we had around 250,000 requests per second. We registered in 50 minutes more than 100,000 devices. The upload of 400,000 files of 5 megabytes was in under 30 minutes. And we were able to process with success on the devices themselves around 100 million commands in under 5 hours. So this is it. And let's jump to the end. And after that, we'll talk about the architecture side and things that we had to solve. How it ended? Well, as any great idea, because of some legacy issues and the ways how the contract was made, the company that I used to work for in that times lose that project. But this is another story that is on the management and business side. And let's talk now about the technical side, the IoT part.